Welcome to our channel. In today's video, old barnwood, new opportunities, transformative ideas for profitable furniture upcycling. We will explore innovative ways to repurpose weathered barnwood into beautiful, functional furniture pieces. Whether you're an experienced craftsman or a beginner looking for creative inspiration, we have transformative ideas that can help you turn rustic wood into profitable treasures. Stay with us. If you find these ideas helpful, please take a moment to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting upcycling projects. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more inspiring content in our upcoming videos. In an era where sustainability is becoming increasingly vital, upcycling offers a unique opportunity to transform old materials into something new and functional. One of the most versatile and character-rich materials for this practice is barnwood. With its rustic charm and historical significance, barnwood allows creators to craft stunning furniture pieces that not only serve a purpose, but also tell a story. Old barnwood is often filled with character, featuring weathered textures, unique colors, and intricate grain patterns. Each piece is distinct, making it perfect for bespoke furniture projects. Its history adds an emotional depth that new materials simply cannot replicate, appealing to those who value authenticity and craftsmanship. Upcycling is the process of transforming waste materials into new products of higher quality or value. Unlike recycling, which involves breaking materials down to their basic elements, upcycling encourages creative reuse. It's not just environmentally friendly, it fosters innovation and self-expression, allowing creators to showcase their artistic vision. When it comes to furniture, the possibilities with barnwood are virtually endless. Consider creating rustic dining tables, sturdy bookshelves, or decorative wall art. Each project presents an opportunity to highlight the wood's natural beauty while crafting functional items that can enhance any living space. Before diving into your projects, it's essential to gather the right tools and materials. Basic woodworking tools such as saws, drills, and sanders are crucial for working with barnwood. Additionally, wood finishes and sealants can help protect your creations and enhance their appearance. Safety should always be a top priority in any woodworking project. Ensure you're equipped with proper safety gear, including goggles, gloves, and dust masks. Familiarize yourself with your tools and always follow safety guidelines to avoid accidents. One of the most rewarding aspects of upcycling barnwood is the ability to create one-of-a-kind pieces. Each project can reflect your personal style, whether you prefer a modern aesthetic or classic rustic charm. Don't hesitate to experiment with different designs and techniques to make each piece uniquely yours. Upcycled furniture has gained significant traction in the market as consumers seek sustainable and unique options. By creating distinctive barnwood furniture, you tap into an increasing demand for environmentally friendly, artisanal products that stand out in a sea of mass-produced items. After constructing your furniture, the finishing touches are crucial. Applying stains or sealants not only enhances the wood's natural beauty, but also protects it from wear and tear. Consider experimenting with different finishes to find the perfect look that matches your vision. Joining a community of fellow upcyclers can provide invaluable support and inspiration. Online forums, social media groups, and local workshops are excellent places to share ideas, seek advice, and showcase your projects. Engaging with others can fuel your creativity and open up new avenues of exploration. In conclusion, upcycling barnwood into furniture pieces is not just a creative endeavor, it's a profitable venture that aligns with sustainable living. By embracing the unique qualities of barnwood, you can craft furniture that is functional, beautiful, and full of history. Whether you're considering this for personal satisfaction or as a business opportunity, the journey of transforming old wood into new beginnings is both rewarding and inspiring. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration and practical tips throughout the video. Remember, the journey of upcycling not only brings new life to old materials, but also promotes sustainability and creativity. If you enjoyed this content, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more exciting projects. Your support helps us continue to share innovative ideas and inspiring stories.